Hi, welcome in, welcome in. How are you, Amir? TikTok Women's Soccer. Every day of the week is a different certification. So today is a Wednesday. Today is Tuesday. So Tuesday is Network Plus. So if you're not following, follow, okay? Which of the following should a network administrator configure when adding OT devices to an organization's architecture? Oh, it looks like it's between B and D.
B and D.
Okay, so B says data at rest encryption, and D says network segmentation.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Oh, okay. Between B and D. All right. What's the answer?
So the answer will be D.
D.
Right. Network segmentation.
Okay.
So with OT or
Let me take this off.
right with operational technology, right, or Internet of Things. Those type of devices are very vulnerable, right? So most of the time, if you work in those environments, you realize that anytime you have OT or IoT devices, most of the time they have their own network. You segment it from what? From the regular IT network, right? So,
Hi, Jumpstart to check. How are you? What's the OT device?
So, operational technology. Okay, so he says, shouldn't it be IoT devices? OT it's a broad name, right? So OT, operational technology, can comprise of SCADA systems, PLCs, right? Those type of devices, but it's all part of the IoT OT ecosystem, right? So it's OT, not IoT.
Okay, so the people that said B, why is it not B?
Data at rest encryption. I mean, that would be ideal, right? However, the question is saying that a network administrator, right? And when it comes to network specific with IoT and OT, network segmentation should be the priority.
Okay.
Right?
Unknown has a question. Unknown is asking, when doing any projects or just
we're doing any project
or just memorizing term. Oh no, we're not. I don't know how to answer that.
I mean, this is just.
Well, let me do my preamble.
Okay,
Welcome in. This is Tech Talk Women's Soccer. Every day of the week is a different certification. Curated for people breaking newly into IT. So if you're already in IT or planning on taking a certification, we ask that you stop on by, ask your questions, and answer the questions, right? So today is Tuesday. So Tuesday is Network Plus. Wednesday, tomorrow is going to be Linux Plus. Thursday, Security Plus. Friday, Cloud Plus. Saturday, AWS Cloud Practitioner. Sunday, AZ 900. Normally, we go live 9 p.m. Eastern time, so we're on ahead of time. Somebody's asking, what's OT?
Operational technology.
He just came in.
Yeah,
Okay.
No problem. So it deals with SCADA systems, PLCs, anything in between.
Okay. All right, Hendrik. Thank you, guys.
Thanks for answering.
Yeah, welcome in. As you
Is
can
it DHCP VX?
Oh, what's that?
DHCP Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol.
Okay. He said yes. Andy, Security Plus is Thursdays. Welcome in. As you can tell, there's highly educated people in the chat. They range from people like me, who range from, I really don't know much about these things, to people who have experience in the chat. So you can tell. So again, do not hesitate to ask your questions. There's no such thing as a dumb questions, because the dumb question is the one you do not ask. So please do ask it. All I ask is that you're respectful in the chat, and to us here. Other than that, I will block you. I will exercise my right to block you. So
right to blocking.
So do follow if you're not following. Full video will be on YouTube right behind me. This is Raymond. I'm Jennifer. Raymond has all those certifications up there, including his CSSP and his AWS certifications, all of them, and a couple of masters, but he's not counting. Hi, L'Oreal. How are you? It's Network Plus Day. Okay. Yesterday was, what was yesterday? A plus. Yesterday was A plus. Oh, I'm sorry. YTM says, I want to take CCNP cybersecurity. How can I go about it? Oh, how can they go about it?
Yeah, I mean, is this your first certification?
Sounds like it. Okay, so to reduce cost and increase mobility, a chief technology officer wants to adopt cloud services for the organization and its affiliates. To reduce the impact of users, the CTO wants key services to run from the on-site data center and enterprise services to run in the cloud. Which of the following deployment models is the best choice for the organization? Hey, CSSP.
Yeah, and that's what I was asking on CSSP.
Hey, Derek.
Yes, CCNP as your first. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you should have taken CCNA at least, right?
This is unanimous. So I'm staying B as well. Unanimous can't be wrong.
Okay.
You better say B. What's the answer?
Yeah, so the answer would be B.
B.
Hybrid.
Okay, so he said it. The CCNP is not his first certification.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait.
So now CCNP is for, I will categorize it as mid or senior level role, right? So with the question, how do I go about it? I'm trying to wrap my head around.
Oh, okay, okay. Can you specify your
Yeah.
question a little bit more? YTM, like, what do you mean? How do you go about it? Like,
Yeah.
to register or to study? Like, what do you mean? CSSP asks, what CCNP are you taking? Route switch? Okay. Are you the same for CCN? Okay, True Seek. Welcome in.
Let's go to the next
All
one.
right, as he goes to the next question, I do my little preamble just so that I fill in the little gaps. But if you're not following, follow. This is Tech Talk Room in Sakwe, aka the IT Study Room. Every day of the week is a different certification. We have some repeat people here, the CSSPs and the a few of the people in the chat. So long story short, if you're new to IT or plan on taking IT, there are highly experienced people in the chat. So please ask your questions. If Raymond doesn't get to it, somebody in the chat will definitely get to it. Okay. So please do follow if you're not following as well. All right. So which of the following is used to describe an average duration of an outage for a specific service? I feel like I know this one.
Which one do you think it is then? So why are you looking at?
I was waiting for one. I'm waiting for them to say it. RT. Wait, which one is that? Elias. Okay. MTT. Wait, MT. Which one? RT. Okay. So we C. Okay. There's C. There's B. Oh. Okay. Well, you could go to the website YTM to make the payment.
But so how do you do the CCNA then?
CSSP, don't try to play me. I was waiting for the answer choices. Hold on. I missed a whole. Okay, what's the answer? It's between B and C.
The answer is B.
B.
Right?
Okay.
So
That's what the user 7-8 thing. I knew it was something to recover. Right. What's the answer?
Which one?
B, right? Mean time to recover?
No, mean time to repair.
Oh.
Repair.
How does that is there a difference between the repair and recover? Because people are saying recover and you're saying repair, so I'm trying to understand.
Is it used interchangeably? Because it's repair. Because the keyword here is okay. Says which of the following is used to describe the average duration of an outage for a specific service, right?
Mm-hmm.
So basically, if a service goes down, right, how long is it going to take to bring it up, right?
Okay.
And that would be MTTR, mean time to repair.
Okay.
Right.
L'Oreal would like for you to explain the terms, so
No
if you
problem.
can.
No problem.
Okay.
Yeah. So my question to you guys: is it interchangeably? Is it interchangeable?
The recover
The
and repair?
recover and repair. Because I know it's repair.
Okay.
Yeah. Mean time
But
to repair.
the fact the majority is saying mean time to recover, and you're saying mean time to repair. I'm wondering. Oh, it is interchangeable.
Okay. Yeah.
I always seen recover. Okay.
I
CSP
always
said
see.
it's
Okay.
seen recover.
Okay. All right. So recover then.
All right.
So yeah. So basically, when a system goes down, right? How long is it going to take to bring it up?
Okay.
Right. So if my modem or switch goes down, or your laptop goes down, right? How long would it take you to bring it up, right?
Okay. All right.
And then so RTO, recovery time objective, right? Recovery time objective. So basically, if there's an outage, right, or if there's if there's a disaster, right, and you are recovering from that, right, RTO will be recovery time objective, right? How long or what is acceptable time frame,
Okay.
right, for the system to be down, right?
Okay.
And that is time, right? And then the RPO, recovery point objective, is usually how much data. How much data are you willing, or is the company willing to lose, right? If there's some sort of a disaster, right? So the RPO deals with how much data, and then R2 deals with time.
How
right?
much data you're willing to lose?
Lose, yeah.
Okay.
Lose, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So that is it, right? So, and this ties back to backup, right? Backups.
Okay.
Right. So it depends on how long you backup will determine your RPO.
Okay.
Right.
Got it.
And then
what was the answer again?
B.
The answer was B. Dot sign. Niz, I see your question. If nobody answers, I have Raymond answer. He's just when you finish up.
So the MTBR, mean time before failure, right, which is the life expectancy of a device. A simple example is the light bulb, right? Usually they have 1,500 hours, right? So the MTBR will be 15 hours. So if you turn on the bulb, and so you should have a lifespan of 1,500 hours, right?
Light is this a known fact?
It is a known fact.
The light bulb at 15 hours?
No. It depends on the wattage and all that. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, so different devices, network devices also have companies have that. I guess value or metrics to keep track of the devices.
CSSP, I told you when I leave here, I don't remember anything. Like I kid you not. The moment I get up, out of my mind. The security stuff too. I think now it's coming back slightly. New light bulbs have 10,000 hours. Welcome in. If you're not following, follow. This is Tech Talk Women's Talk, where every day of the week is a different certification. Q&A for people breaking newly into IT. Niz had a question. I think I missed it. Hold on one second. Today is Tuesday, so Tuesday is Network Plus. Tomorrow, Wednesday, is Linux Plus. Thursday, Security Plus. Friday, Cloud Plus. Saturday is AWS Cloud Practitioner. Sunday is AZ900. And then Monday, CompTIA A Plus. So again, if you're not following, do follow. It's Franco. Can you break down your question more? Okay. Oh, okay. You want to study business in high school. You study, you study business in high school and you want to be a cybersecurity analyst. Which course should you take in the university? Which course should one take in the university?
Yeah, so if you can get into cybersecurity, that'll be good.
Thank you, CSSP. I remember now. It was good that you said that. ANC Rolo. And then
yeah, so if you can take cybersecurity, that'll be perfect. If not, regular information technology should
suffice.
Yeah. Okay.
Is it possible to get into IT without good math? Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is.
Especially with AI.
Yeah, it is.
It's not just CSP said just include the fact that it's not.
Yeah, but remember they have BSc in cybersecurity. So basically the course is around cybersecurity.
Oh man,
so.
Imagine. Okay.
Yeah.
Welcome in. If you're not following, is that all the answer choices? There's no D?
Okay, let's see. There is D. All right. Almost forgot the D.
D is the answer.
Probably not.
Oh, sure. Okay. Early in the morning, an administrator installs a new DHCP server. In the afternoon, some users report they are experiencing network outages. Which of the following is the most likely issue?
One of the keywords that you have to keep in mind is what some users, not all users.
Doesn't matter what they have in the afternoon and the morning. Does it matter?
So now with troubleshooting, right? You always have to see if it's affecting a specific user, a group of user, or everyone using the system. Right?
Okay.
So now you can narrow it down to where exactly the issue is coming from.
Okay.
Right. So yeah. So
NC Williams saying this is a bad question.
Oh, is it really?
Do specify. What happened to the person with the DHCP in their name? Where are you? DHCP VP, something like that, right? Okay, so we have C and we have A. Hi, Ondine. Welcome in. The sum is too hidden. It's not popping at
Yeah, I mean, most yeah, I get
Hey,
why they are saying the question is bad, right? Yeah, like most CompTIA questions, right? Yeah, it's a little, yeah, it's bad, but however, you should be able to take some keywords from the question and drill down to what the answer would be, right?
It's A. Majority didn't feel.
So we have A, and then which one else?
No, because the way the CSSP said this is A. Okay, but A. We have A, and then we have one C in there.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. The answer is A.
You know what? I haven't seen chocolate in a while. Anyway, sorry.
Anyway.
Sorry.
So yeah, the answer will be A, right? Okay. The administrator did not provision enough IP addresses, right? Yeah, the provision was used vaguely, but I understand what they mean, right?
Okay.
With DHCP, right? When you are setting up a DHCP, you would have a range of IP addresses, right?
Okay.
A range of IP addresses that you want to be assigned to individual devices, right? And so let's say you set up an IP address range that would support only 10 users, right? So in the morning, when users connected to the device, they already have their IP addresses. In the afternoon, right? The IP address is exhausted, right? So now users that comes in the afternoon wouldn't get an IP address, right? So this is the logical answer that we can pick from this question, right?
Okay.
Yeah, you actually experienced this at work. Okay, cool.
That was who was that? BM right?
Yeah.
Question should be worded a little bit more obvious. Not all users are affected.
Okay.
In that verbiage, right? BM says more people came in the evening, so they ran out of addresses.
True.
And
right?
Ansel has a fun story.
Yeah. So this is real life, right? You would experience that, and I think someone said reduce the least time. Right, that is also a way of making sure that users have IP addresses, right? But it depends on the use case, though. But anyways.
CSSP Twix all the way. Okay. The image case says DHCP address pool may be fun. Maybe fun. Oh, maybe full.
Okay.
Full.
Okay.
All right. So thanks, Metro. When you cut. Where am I? Okay, Instagram says when you cut over DHCP service, drop your lease time to 1 hour, 8 days before you cut over.
1 hour, 8 days. So what does that mean?
Wait, read that properly because I don't know if I read it wrong.
Okay.
When you cut over DHCP service, drop your lease times down to 1 hour, 8 days before you cut over. I don't know if
1 hour from 8 days, is that it?
I think that what do you call it? TikTok may have cut off the verbiage, so he didn't finish.
Okay.
The range of IP he gave, it's not sufficient, as L'Oreal says. Yes, Raging, we're early tonight.
There you
we
go.
were definitely happy.
Yeah. So usually by default it's 8 days. So what you are saying is to reduce it to an hour, right? So that the address would release and get a new IP. All right, good insight.
Okay. Right. It's you can fix widespread issues, reboot the whole system, and the BM Pub says we have a lot of visitors at work and ran out of addresses. Really? That's really such a thing. So what do you do when you run out of addresses? Do you go buy one?
No.
What do you do?
You would expand the addresses.
Okay. And how long does it take to expand the address?
So and it depends on a good subnetting, right?
Just reboot all the switches.
Good subnetting, right? So let's say guest network, right? So you have IP address, DHCP server specifically for guest.
Okay.
So if you have, let's say, a few IP range, right, for the guest, a few guests would get the IP addresses, right?
Okay.
However, you have to make sure that when you are subnetting, basically dividing your network, right, you should make sure that there's enough IP address, right?
Okay.
But if you don't have enough, so question for you guys, if you don't have enough IP address, right, and your subnet, you subnet wrongly, right? So let's say, I don't know, you subnet for 100 users, right? However, your users is now more than 100.
Right.
What do you do? Right?
Isn't that what I just asked?
Do you have to resubnet? Because remember, with DHCP, right, you can decide what ranges to use. And you can also exclude some sort of ranges as well. So you can increase and decrease if you want to. However, if you subnet wrongly, you wouldn't be able to expand. You have to redo the subnetting all over again.
Yes, he was about to say something out of pocket. He said, "What do? You turn off all the switches and go home." I guess he didn't say that though. Image says that you would have to increase. He's not answering your question. He's just saying something else. You have to increase address pool. If you have /24 subnet, then you have over 200 usable IPs, right?
So now if the 200 usable IP is exhausted, right, what do you do now?
Ernest Willow said this is why we use reservation versus setting them static IPs.
Oh, okay, I get it. So, so just in case you might need that reservation, you can take it away, right?
No, CSSP said no.
Which one to know?
I'm assuming no to what NC Willow said. But okay, so again, my question was, I'm sorry, what was the answer for privacy today? The answer was C? Was it C?
Which one was it?
Go back one more time.
Yeah, it was A. The administrator did not provision enough IP addresses.
Okay. CSP said, what if your new subnet is not the same addressing?
If your new subnet is on the same addressing.
And then NC Willow says you could change the subnet and default gateway without logging into all the static devices. It has nothing to do with routing, CSSP says.
Okay. This one is C. Okay. I think no. This one.
Oh, no, he was answered before. Okay, wait, go back. Sorry, guys. I didn't drink coffee today. All right, hold on. Welcome in. If you're not following, follow. Surprise, Eva, if you can't use ChatGPT on the exam, you can't. Okay, imagine. But welcome in. If you're not following, follow. Today is Network Plus. Tomorrow is going to be Linux Plus. Emma says, yeah, you can and reduce the lease time. It helps with changeover.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let me read this question while we go there. A network engineer is troubleshooting an issue with a voice over IP network. After performing analysis, the engineer found that when users upload large files, voice quality is severely degraded. When no other traffic is on the network, voice quality is fine. Which of the following should the engineer do to most likely resolve the issue?
I think we had a similar question yesterday.
Oh, we did?
It's a CompTIA A+. We had a similar question. Which one do you think the answer would be?
Majority has never failed me.
Okay.
C.
What is QoS?
Quality of service.
Okay.
Is it?
It is.
I said on my footsteps. I had no idea. Yeah, thank you, L'Oreal. Thank you. Okay, so the answer is C, right?
Okay.
Nobody said anything other. I feel like it gave the answer. Oh, you feel? Brock is saying that it feels like it gave the answer in the question.
Oh, really?
Which one? Which one stood out for the people?
Yeah, which one stood out?
They asked the same question 30 years ago.
Really? All right.
That means it's the same thing all the time.
Exactly. So QoS has been there for a long time. Remember yesterday someone said QoS will be obsolete.
I forgot who it said. Yeah. He said eventually.
Because we have enough bandwidth. Yeah.
But
I think someone else said, we still need QoS.
I think it was CSP that said we might need it. But I also do think that to the point of what the person was saying was eventually nobody knew AI was going to come in. You know what I mean? So eventually it might be phasing out.
Remember, if the more data, the more internet or the more speed that we have, the more our demand goes up too.
Okay.
Right? And then now people will be running AI on their system, right?
Okay.
So it would also clock up the bandwidth, right? So the more data that you have, the more users bring up new things, right?
Okay.
So I don't think QoS would be obsolete.
Hey Zen, welcome in. This is Tech Talk with Ben Sacco. Every day of the week is a different certification. Today is Network Plus. Tomorrow is going to be Linux Plus. Thursday Security Plus. Was Thursday Security Plus. Wednesday Cloud. Thursday Security Plus. Wow. Friday Cloud Plus. Saturday AWS Cloud Practitioner. Sunday AZ 900. And Sirula said, don't forget about buffer bloat. Buffer bloat. What is buffer bloat?
What's that?
Don't
What's
forget
buffer
buffer bloat.
bloat?
Okay, and then Zen says, wow, networking is interesting. Never knew networking traffic can affect individual file transmission. Oh, you really find this interesting? You're in the right place. I'm just here to chit chat. Okay. Which of the following disaster recovery metrics is used?
Bloat one at EBQ.
Okay. Which of the following disaster recovery metrics is used to describe the amount of data that is lost since the last backup?
Mm-hmm.
Am I supposed to know this?
Yeah, you should know that. We have backup. Amount of data.
B.
What is B?
No, D.
D?
Yeah.
D as in this? Okay.
D as in the one with the B that means backup, and then the one I hope it means backup.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, what's the answer?
All right. The answer would be C.
C? Oh.
Recovery point objective. This is when backup comes in.
Why are you yelling?
Backup.
How do you yell?
Backup, right? Okay. So yeah, recovery point objective, right? How much data are you willing to lose, right? So now, if you back up every 24 hours, guess what? Your RPO will be 24 hours.
I feel like you're yelling.
I'm not.
L'Oreal, like I told you, I'll just be sitting here. Okay.
But anyways.
All right. Okay, I'm going to write this down. Meantime, so the answer is C.
Yeah.
All right. RPO.
Yes, amount of data. This is the keyword.
Means backup.
Amount of data.
Right? I wrote it down.
And you said amount of data you are willing to lose, and I typed LOSE, lose. But anyways,
again,
let's go to the next question.
We didn't leave yet, and I still forgot. Anyways, welcome in. This is Saitako Masako, aka the IT Study Room, every day of the week. Oh, it's also and BM Puff is saying that also this is a Security Plus question.
Yeah,
hopefully on Thursday when it comes up. I don't know.
So yeah, and that is the beauty of CompTIA certification, right? If you start piling them up, you realize that most of the questions are repetitive, right? So now you don't have to relearn the whole thing again.
Back to
right.
Okay.
So yeah, so you build on it.
All right. If you're not following, follow. We go live 9 p.m. Eastern time. We're a little early today. What time is it now? I can't even find the clock around here. Oh, it's 9 now. We go live 9 p.m. Eastern time. And today we went a little early. The toddler slept early. So tomorrow 9 p.m. Eastern time, hopefully, if it's 9 p.m. Eastern time, it's going to be Linux Plus, okay? Thursday Security Plus, Friday Cloud Plus, Saturday AWS Cloud Practitioner. Yeah, we were, right? Yeah.
Were we?
We are either 15 or 20-ish minutes. Or maybe 30, I don't remember. If you're not following, follow. Also, please, if you have questions and you're planning on taking the certifications, don't hesitate to ask your questions, okay? If you've been here, you can see there's highly educated people in the chat and they would love to, share their knowledge with you. So please, do share, do ask your questions. Yes, please distracted me. Do ask your questions. All I ask is that you're respectful to them and to us. Other than that, I will block you. Okay. All right. Network administrator is troubleshooting issues with a DHCP server at a university. More students have recently arrived on campus and the user are unable to obtain an IP address. Which of the following should the administrator do to address the issue? Isn't it similar to the one
exactly?
We just said?
So what do you think the answer would be?
I just said it was similar. I didn't know that. Oh, really? Nancy Roller saying that. Wait. Let me go back.
Go back?
PowerPoint would work to show the questions. Oh, PowerPoint, right? To show the questions? Okay, B. We have B. Oh, we'll go back up.
Okay.
C. Oh, wait. I said it first.
Which one is that?
Oh.
I said it first. Okay.
Okay, now I don't know what the answer is. I was going to go with majority, but it's between C, B, and A. Wait, who said I said it first? It's C, B, and A. Okay. All right, I'm going with C because easy life, the way he or she said it. I hope you're right. Okay, what's the answer?
So the answer would be C.
Okay, right. Thanks, easy life.
Increase the scope size, right?
Okay.
I think the previous question was this saying, did it say IP range? But it's the same thing, right? Increase the the range.
Okay.
So similar to the previous question.
Okay.
You had a few IP addresses, and then now students are now able to obtain IP. So just increase the IP range or the scope.
Oh wait, Neil. I'm sorry, Neil. Hold on. Let me go back. Okay. Thank you for Neil. You should have typed it back in after. Hold on. All right. NC Roller said. What did NC Roller say? Scope site needs to come first. Why is it not B? For the people that said B, why is it not B? Neil, I'm scrolling to see your question.
Subnet mask.
Neil.
So if you change the subnet mask, it would basically change your network, right? So basically move you to a different network if you change the subnet, right? So you wouldn't be on the same network anymore. You'd be on a different network, which brings a different headache.
So that's what's not be. Neil, can you bring your question back? I'm scrolling and I can't find it. I'm so sorry. Neil. Welcome in. If you're not following, follow. This is TikTok with Mensakwe. Every day of the week is a different certification. Curated for people breaking newly into IT, or if you're already in IT and you're planning on taking a certification, we ask that you stop on by, ask your questions, and answer the question. It's supposed to be like a gauging mechanism, honestly, just to see how well you answer. Okay, Neil says, just graduated IT. Where should I start? Not AI vulnerable in the near future. Ooh.
Oh, this is a broad question. I mean, I can't tell what AI would take in the future, right? So I don't know. I don't want to. Yeah, I don't want to give a false.
Okay, so hope. For somebody that so like saying false hope. So I guess the question he's trying to get at is this: in the world of AI, and people thinking IT is dying, right? What should he get himself into that is at least give him some sort of security? I was gonna say AI.
that is true.
Learn
that is true. Right?
But yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that is true, right? Okay. Learn AI. I mean, I don't really. I tend not to think about what AI would take and what AI wouldn't take, right? It's all about continuous learning, continuous education, right? So. In case the current job role that you have is being taken by AI, guess what? You can branch to a different field.
Or you could do a field tech. Honestly, field techs. I don't think AI is going to take any field tech job.
Remember, it's about balancing the salary and then the role.
Oh, but field techs, you don't get paid a lot.
No.
I think that's subjective. Field tech may have not been enough for you, but maybe for somebody else.
On a skilled field technician, don't really get that much. I mean, those that get much is those that are
the managers and stuff.
Yeah, in the office. Okay. But anyways,
all right. I'm gonna read this question though. But which of the following ports should be allowed through a firewall to? Which of the following ports should be allowed through a firewall to allow DNS resolution to occur to an outside DNS server?
Which one do you think?
53.
What is 53?
53? DNS? I don't know.
DNS?
SSH?
I mean, it says...
HTTP? I don't know.
They say DNS.
I don't know. I'm saying everything that I've heard you say. I don't know.
So it's DNS, which is 53B, right?
You know what I said?
So
DNS.
Why did you change your answer?
Know. The way you were saying it, I was like, I wasn't sure.
53, right? So basically, it's just testing you on knowing your services and which ports relate to them, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't think you answered Neil's question well. I don't like how you're leaving the question.
Yeah, because I don't want to give any specific answer that might not be true.
Okay. Zen said, learn AI, right? As in prompting or machine learning, right? Oh, you're asking a question? Oh, I don't know. That's a good question. When we said learn AI to him, to Neil, Zen is asking as learn AI as in prompting or machine learning.
I would go for machine learning because I feel like prompting is just for end users, right? Machine learning is for back end work. developers, right? So yeah, those that develop the AI system. Prompting is just front end. So yeah, machine learning.
It's better.
Yeah.
Okay. He feels, by the way.
Yeah, it's just my opinion. That's my opinion.
It's zero, yeah. Okay, so where are we? Okay, 3389 is RDP, but right?
Yeah, remote
okay.
desktop
All right.
protocol. Yep.
3389 ransomware deployment protocol.
I
CSSP.
think you always say that.
That was the CSSP, yeah. AI isn't taking jobs. Learn how to use AI to increase your output. Yeah, that was CSSP. Okay. And zero, I'm definitely. Hi, NC Chucker. How are you? Okay. All right. So choose two. Which of the following network? I'm sorry if I missed your question. Please bring it back, and if nobody answered it, please bring it back as well. Okay. Which of the following network devices can exist as several layers of the OSI model at the same time? We're supposed to do the OSI model live, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna write that down again so we could try to get that done. It's not enough days in a week.
Yeah.
All right. So we have A and F, A and D. F, we have D. So no, definitely A is one of the answer choices. All right. So. I just built an email analyzer that looked at emails throughout the company to find common issues with AI chat CSSP. That is awesome.
Okay.
And that's the point you're trying to say is like learn how to use AI exactly to help your everyday task. That's be true. Being pub, what are you saying?
PTNTSP. Which one is that?
Puff, you know, you know, the regular acronyms is even difficult. This one is not even English for me. Do specify. Okay, what's the answer? We have A and D, A and F.
So that would be A and D. So switch
Why
and
you
a
sound
router.
like that? You don't sound sure.
No, I was just looking at the answer option.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we know that router is on layer 3 of the OSI model, right?
Okay.
So the network layer, right?
Yep.
Router, we know that. But switch, we know by default it's on layer 2.
Oh, don't throw away your. I heard that.
Please do not throw sausage pizza away.
Yeah.
And the other way around would be, I forgot.
What was the
Please
one?
do not throw. There's two different acronyms. I forgot.
Okay.
But yeah, and then with switch, right? By default, it's on layer 2. However, we have layer 3 switches, which means it performs routing and switching at the same time, right?
Jay is asking, would you classify multi-layer switch with switches as well?
Multi-layer switch. I don't get the question.
Would you classify multi-layer switch with switch as well? What do you mean you don't get the question?
A multi-layer switch is a switch. So, okay. So multi-layer. Am I going to consider it as a switch or a router? Is that your question? But it's a switch. So.
Hi, Wizzy. How are you? Multi-layer switch is a router. Okay. NLS is a switch with the router feature, right?
Multi-layer switch.
Oh, wow. First of all, see what I mean? You said MLS. I'm a realtor, right? So I'm thinking it's like anyway, I'm sorry. I was like, no need to apologize. Like as the option. So okay, so as the option, would you put multi-layer switch? I'm so confused. Yo, that's exactly what I'm thinking about CSSP.
I was lost.
That's what my mind is. Yo, I gotta make some sales. MLS is a switch with the routing feature, right? Oh, okay. So multi-layer switch is a switch with a routing feature.
So is that it? I have to look it up and confirm.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I have to look it up and confirm.
All right. Oh, okay. Blue team stock analyst for 5 years. So after blue team, do you go to red team?
Why not red team? The way you said go blue team. Let me type go red team.
No, but I'm asking though after.
I mean, it's up to you. Up to you.
Why?
Go red team.
Are you a red team? Why? Anyway.
But yeah, I mean, I don't know what is next. I mean, it's up to you.
No, he didn't ask what was next. Okay. I was just asking.
It's up to you. It's up to your.
Is blue team offense?
So yeah. No. Blue team is defensive. Yeah,
Oh,
defensive.
blue team is defense.
Yeah. And then red team is the offense.
Okay. Defense. Okay.
Yeah. So SOC analyst role. Yeah, defense.
Red is offense. Blue is defense. Okay.
And why not branch to red team?
Happy Coleman. Or in purple is
Hi.
both. Oh, because you mix
Yeah.
the colors. That's funny. Oh wait, did you answer the person's question?
Yeah. So red team is more.
No, not
of
the red team.
hacking.
Somebody asked something else. The multi-layer thing. Did we find an like?
Oh yeah. Let me. Oh.
Hi, PhD.
If someone can answer that.
Okay. Multi-layer.
What happened to it?
What happened? The questions?
Yeah. Hold on.
Do you end the live?
No, it's still here. Hold on.
Oh, okay.
Let me bring back.
Yeah, I can see us, right?
Why is it? It's still
Oh,
showing.
we missed you too. How are you?
Why is it?
I don't know. Where did you put it? We lost the screen.
Hold on.
There are. Oh, wait. Oh, switches and routers, L3 devices. Oh, we lost. Okay, there you go.
Okay, good. Alright, let me.
Switch is a layer 2. Okay. So then the answer. Oh, you're answering this. Oh, okay. All right. Well, welcome in. This is Tech Talk with Sakura. Every day of the week is a different certification curated for people breaking newly into IT. Apologies if you asked a question and I didn't get to it, or if Raymond didn't answer it properly, or somebody in the chat didn't answer. Please bring it back. I don't want you to leave here with the questions you had, because I'm here saying for you to ask your questions, and if your questions not being answered, then we're not doing our jobs right. So please do ask your questions. Why are you spamming the page? IYKY. You could go per scholar. You could go to pre-scholar. Okay, pre-scholar. We learned that yesterday, and it's free. Pre-scholar.
Yeah, it's free.
Okay. But welcome in. If you're not following, follow. Hope you're following. All right. Which of the following layers of the OSI model maps to the network interface layer of the TCP/IP stack? Choose 2. Hey Mochi. All right, so we have C, D, D, E, B, E, C, D. All right, what's the answer? Oh,
Okay.
User says ACI learning is a good tool. 500 for. Oh, is it? 500 for 7,000 classes? How many classes are there? I never heard of it, but I'm gonna write it down so I can vet it out for it. ACI learning. Hi, Big Bird. ACI learning. Is it better than pre-scholar?
ACI?
Yeah, because apparently
the answer
you heard
is
of it?
AC.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. Oh, so the answer is A and C?
A and C.
Oh, okay. Well, can you say it? You just kind of threw it in there.
So yeah, so let me. Yeah, A and
Oh,
C.
you do? Okay.
The physical and then the data link. Let me
Nobody
share
said
my
A and
screen.
C. Oh,
here.
okay. Alvaro said it. Okay.
Yeah, let me share my screen here real quick.
Okay. Welcome in. If you're not following, follow.
Hi.
Tomorrow, 9 p.m. Eastern Time is going to be Linux Plus. Thursday is going to be Security Plus. Friday is going to be Cloud Plus. Saturday is going to be AWS Cloud Practitioner. Saturday AWS. Sunday AZ 900. Monday CompTIA 8 Plus. Okay, same concept. If you're planning on taking the certification, we just ask that you stop on by, ask your questions, and answer the questions with your like-minded people, so that you can get it right on the exam. ACI. That's where my buddy Daniel. Oh, CSSP knows everybody. He knows everybody. Yes, Daniel. Lori. Okay. A user says, it has classes for CompTIA and stuff in cybersecurity. Oh, awesome. $500 for 7,000 classes is you can't beat that.
Oh, do they give you certification as well? It's just the
You're
classes.
asking for too much. Do they give certifications? If they, out of curiosity, if they do. So it's 500 for the year,
For the year.
including the certification? Oh, no. Hi, Rocky.
It's just a class.
It's just a class, okay. Well, then if that's the case, when they study, then they should go to pre-scholar so they can get it for free.
Yeah, but I mean.
Oh, really? Oh, I'm glad. Try hack me. I actually slept in CSP. I'm gonna try to catch it. I'm gonna try to catch it. I'm gonna catch it to tomorrow, and then when we come tomorrow, I can give you your news back to you.
All right,
But yeah, check out CSSP's chat on YouTube. Hold on. It's called Simply Cyber on YouTube. Okay.
All right.
gives
So
you
the
the
question
morning
is referencing the network interface
Okay.
layer, right? So we have the OSI model and then we have the TCP IP, right? So TCP/IP is the newer version, and it maps to the OSI, right? So the OSI has 7 layers. The TCP has 4, right? So they map the first 2 to the network interface. They map network to network, transport to transport, and then the last 3 layers for its application, right?
Okay.
So that's how it's mapped, right? So let me hide this here, and then let's look at the answer options.
CSSP is being humble. Okay, so check out his segment on Dr. Gary's channel. Oh, okay, user, your business pays for all this stuff and certification. Okay, that's why it doesn't matter to you. Cool. Okay. I was gonna say what your who's your business are they hiring? Just in case somebody needs a job. Where did I leave off? So try hack me. What about try hack me? Do you like PhD? Because everybody here loves it. Every time somebody comes, try hack me. Was they hack the box? Have you tried hack the box too? No, it was. What was the answer again?
The answer would be A and C. Physical and then the data link layer makes up the network interface layer of the TCP/IP model.
All right. As he goes to the next question, if you're not following, follow. And please do ask your questions. If you have any questions at that, today is Network Plus. Tomorrow is going to be Linux Plus. Thursday is going to be Security Plus. Friday is Cloud Plus. Saturdays AWS Cloud Practitioner. Sundays AZ 900. Mondays CompTIA 8 Plus. Again, the idea is that if you're planning on taking any of the certifications, come on in, ask the questions or answer the questions as well. And the people in the chat are highly educated, so they ask for you as well. What is it called again?
Which one?
Hack the box. Hack the box. Hack the box. RC. So the final answer is yes. RC. Apologies. I was talking too much, right? ANC. Which of the following protocol is used to send time synchronization?
Which one is that?
Updates on a given network. I know that time synchronization. Franco, welcome back. How are you? Which days? One of these days, we're going to take one of the classes out and then put CSSP.
I think I heard that CSSP is going to do CSSP.
CSSP, you're going to teach CSSP? You're going to give us CSSP exam topic, IT study room? Or are we going to do that 8 a.m. on the Simply Cyber? Okay, what's the answer? Yes! Port 123. I remember that one. Like, what's the answer?
Yeah, so the answer would be A, right? Network time protocol, right? That is the protocol in charge of time synchronization.
Okay.
Right.
Nobody said anything other than that, right?
No.
Okay. Physical and data link, what is that? Somebody said a little
That was the previous question.
The question didn't change.
Oh, it didn't change. I'm sorry. Let me change it. Hold on. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. Okay, nobody answered. Yeah, we're sitting here reading to ourselves. Hold on. Welcome in. This is Tech Talk with my sucker. Sorry. Every day of the week is a different certification. Curated for people breaking newly into IT, or if you're already in IT and plan on taking a certification, do follow. Also, if you want to watch it again, it's going to be on YouTube. Same name, right behind me. So same name, okay? While you're there, 8 a.m., also watch CSSP. On his segment. NTP. A, okay. This one didn't change either.
Oh, it didn't change? Oh, okay, because I have to redo it. Okay, no problem. Let's
Alright, it's unanimously A.
Question.
Hopefully if you're planning on taking a certification, if this question ever pops up, if Raymond don't pop in your head, let me pop in your head, okay? NTP 1, 2, 3.
Okay,
ooh, this is a question for CSSP. CSSP Pan? Can I call you Pan? I don't want to mess up your name. How many bits are in a byte?
I mean, why that specific question though?
Oh, why?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, CSP. I knew this was a question for CSP. Just got back up. Just got back. What's up? Oh, 8. 8. Okay. Oh, somebody's saying 60. Oh, but why the? Oh, okay. Why are you testing the chat
Yeah,
room?
it's 8. So yeah, I'm not sure why we're asking that question.
Oh, but he was curious.
No, it's a Google answer the question.
Oh,
Yeah,
excuse
so
me.
yeah.
Testing the chat.
Yeah.
But it's the chat is full with people like me, right? We're range for people that I would have never knew that question. I would have Googled it. I'm not gonna lie to you. I would have Googled the question. So go easy on the chat, Pan. You seem like you're very educated in this IT field. What do you do? Do tell. Right? Thanks for the flashcard question. Oh, wow. The life is gorgeous. She loves it. Oh, awesome. I'm glad you like it. Oh, the answer was, yeah. He's trying to bring it. Oh, 25
What
years.
is it?
Sorry. He's trying to find his screen. 25 years. Wow. Well, welcome in. There's somebody in here also has 25 years. I shall not mention names.
Let's try again.
He happens to have DJ in his name, but 25, 35. Who's counting? Well, welcome in. You and I both. Welcome in.
Why is it not showing on YouTube? I'm trying to bring it up on YouTube.
Oh, okay. He's trying to bring his questions on YouTube.
Let me paste the new question and just.
Can we mutual LinkedIn profile? Okay. What does that mean? You still can. Artsy, are you trying to? Okay, like, are you trying to link? Yeah, you can add him. If he doesn't accept, I'll accept it for you. As he changes the question, if you're not following, follow.
Okay. All right, let's try this one. There's a little interesting one, but
A fire inside. Almost 30 years CSSP. You're dating yourself. Welcome in. If you're not following, follow. And why he forgets what's going on. Which of the following best describes how a layer 2 switch functions?
it changed.
Yeah, it did change, but it looks very weird, the question.
Trying to get it up on YouTube.
Alright, so we have A. We have A. Like wine. Or what's the other one? I heard bourbon. Is it bourbon? I don't know. Don't quote me. Or anything fermented at that. Not like, okay, you know what, I'm just gonna stop. Alright, the answer is A. Majority said A.
Alright, it's not showing on YouTube, so just probably have to read it. It's fine.
Alright.
Yeah,
So full video will be on YouTube though. Afterwards I'll repost it.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah, so the answer will be A. Right? So it says switches packets within the same subnet based on what? MAC address, right? So if you are on the same network, right, usually when a packet is meant for you, or usually use what? Switching, right? If you're on the same network, right? So let me use a switch here, right? So yeah, if you are connected to the same, so if you have a laptop, I have a laptop connected to the same one, the same switch, right? And I sent a message or I sent a packet to you, right? What it's going to do is what it's going to go into the port that your device is connected to, look at the MAC table, right, to see exactly where the MAC address for your device and then the port combination, right? So the switch knows where the MAC address of a specific device and the port that they are related to, right? So if a message comes in with your MAC address, it knows exactly the port that it's there, and then it will just send a message to it. But someone said broadcast, right? So
yeah. Oh wait, before you get to broadcast, RC had a question. So you said the answer is A, right?
Yeah,
So does it work like ARP?
address resolution protocol. So address resolution protocol maps your IP address to MAC address, right? So that is address resolution protocol. But with the switch, I think it uses CompTable. I've forgotten the full acronym, but it maps the MAC addresses to the port on the switch, right?
So does it work like a ARP or no?
ARP maps IP addresses to MAC address.
Okay,
right?
and you were gonna say something about broadcast. I don't know.
Okay. Yeah, and the broadcast. So now, and this is how the switch works, right? So if you connected to a switch, right, and this is the first time that you are a device is sending some sort of communication to you, right? By default, the switch wouldn't know which port you are connected to, right?
Okay.
So what the switch will do, it will send a broadcast to the network and see which port answers the request, right? But then from then the switch would keep record of that mapping, right? So that next time when someone send a request to the same MAC, it doesn't have to send a broadcast anymore. It send it directly to the port, right?
Okay. Saber says the switch knows what MAC address is connected to which port. Okay, got it. All right. How many more questions we have?
All right, so I think probably like different between.
Okay. Franco says correct answer is A. Switches packet within the same subnet based on MAC addresses. Okay.
Okay, so.
All right, welcome in as he brings the next question up. If you're not following, follow. If you plan on watching this over again, it will be on YouTube, same name behind me. But this is Tech Talk with Ms. Sakurai. This is also aka the IT study room. Every day of the week is a different certification. It's curated for people breaking newly into IT. I think NC Roller left because I haven't heard him. But anyway, if you're not following, follow. Tomorrow 9 p.m. Eastern time is going to be Linux Plus. Thursday is going to be Security Plus. Friday is going to be Cloud Plus. Saturday is going to be AWS Cloud Practitioner. Sunday is AZ 900. Monday is CompTIA Plus. Tuesday is Network Plus. Okay, as we are today.
Okay.
This is Raymond. I'm Jennifer. Raymond has all those certifications up there, over 30 plus. That one up there.
Okay, so I think this might be the last one for
good.
the day.
We're trying to leave early today.
Okay, this is a little.
This is controversial.
Not really.
Okay, the way you sound.
Not really.
It sounds controversial.
Yeah. So.
Okay, all right. Lisa, a network technician, has determined that the initial theory of probable cause was incorrect. Which of the following would be the next step in the troubleshooting process? Can you fix the question a little bit?
Which one?
Can you put the troubleshooting process?
Oh, okay, yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right. I don't know what it didn't change. No, it did change.
It did, right? Okay.
Yeah. Any takers? Oh, thank you for the roses. I'm sorry, I didn't see them, but thank you. Oh, okay. Franco's saying D, escalate the issue. B, we have a B, establish a plan. Okay, Lisa, a network technician, has determined that the initial theory of probable cause was incorrect. Which of the following would be the next step in troubleshooting?
Yeah.
What was the initial theory?
Yeah, it's a little vague of a question in a way.
Yeah, because
right?
what was the initial theory?
Yes, I mean this is part of the troubleshooting methodology, right?
Okay.
So CompTIA has, I mean, I think I'm not sure if it's industry standard, but mostly it's by CompTIA, but it works in real world, right?
Mm-hmm.
So they have troubleshooting steps, right? I think it's 7 or 8 steps. So yeah, okay. Yeah, so the initial one is to identify what the problem, establish a theory of probable cause, and then test the theory, right? And then once you test the theory, you establish a plan, and you implement it and all that, right? So yeah, so that is a step.
Okay.
So basically, it's referencing the troubleshooting methodology, right?
Okay.
The initial theory of probable cause was incorrect, right?
Okay.
Yeah, the question is a little.
Okay, but you didn't say the answer. What's the answer?
Yeah, I would say the answer would be none of the above, right?
But that's not an answer choice. Okay.
I know.
Can you say the
However,
answer?
I would have gone for D.
Okay.
Escalate the work.
Okay, so if a person is taking
the
an
issue.
exam and this happens to pop up, what should they pick?
D. To
D.
escalate the issue.
Okay. Well, Franco says here's why. In CompTIA troubleshooting model, if the initial theory is wrong, the very next step is establish a new theory or escalate
Exactly.
the issue.
Exactly. Good.
All right. So the answer is, okay.
It's
L'Oreal
D.
says it can be A, it can be B, or it can't, and it can be C. So
Yeah.
it
is
can.
D.
And then Franco also says that since the question state Lisa has already determined the initial theory was incorrect, the next action is to escalate the issue to somebody.
Yeah.
Okay.
But so the next, establish a theory of probable cause, right? And now it wouldn't just be one probable cause, right? Sometimes you might have multiple probable cause, right?
And that's a good question that
Yeah.
Saber has here.
Yeah, exactly.
Saber's asking, when you escalate it, what will the next tech refer? What would the next tech refer to?
So there's different type of escalation.
Oh, I think what he or she's trying to say is that if there's no documentation and you escalate it, or is it the person supposed to tell them word of mouth? That's a good question. Is that what you're saying? Oh, thank you. See,
okay,
yeah, is the person supposed to just say, yeah, right? Is the person supposed to be like, oh, okay, I'm supposed to now relay the message to you that, hey, or call the person and be like, this is not working.
I get it.
Yeah.
So as part of the CompTIA troubleshooting, right? It's step by step, right?
Okay.
So if you finish the entire, the troubleshooting, then you document, right?
Okay.
I haven't seen the CompTIA troubleshooting step that says that skip to documentation. I haven't. I'm not sure if someone have seen that before, but yeah. But that makes sense. Your argument makes sense, right? How would I know what the issue is if you don't document,
put it down,
right?
They need to change that.
Yeah.
The Franco saying escalating the issue to someone with more expertise or authority. And then Franco, what Saber was trying to get to is that how does the escalation happen? Do I send that? Yeah, do I send that via email or do I say that verbally to the person? Right. But L'Oreal is saying that Saber, don't forget Lisa is a technician, and if the initial theory is false, she must escalate it though.
Yeah. I mean that
doesn't. Saber's argument.
Yeah, no, I get it. That
that
doesn't take away from documenting your findings, right?
Right. Because if you send an email about the issue, technically you're documenting it. Technically, I'm just saying.
It's arguable.
It is, but this kind of question should not be an exam. If that's what we're basing on arguable.
But yeah, it's a good argument. Yeah, it's a good argument.
All right. So, but for CompTIA's sake, Saber, they're saying that the answer is D. Unfortunately,
escalate, yeah.
But I think in your job field, when you get there, please don't do that. Honestly, document it, because the documentation covers your butt. Honestly, so
escalating makes sense if you assume you would document
findings.
I mean, says what should be next, right? What should be next?
All right. Franco says identify the problem, establish a theory of probable cause, test the theory, establish a plan of action, implement the solution.
Okay. So, yeah. Someone said both, right? So escalating the issue, I guess, documentation would be part of it. How would you escalate, right? By sending an email,
yeah,
right? So it's
included
exactly,
in it.
Right, in a way. Okay. Yeah.
Listen here, okay.
Yeah, that makes sense, right? How would you escalate, right? Yeah. Okay, that makes sense.
Okay, but we're gonna have to go with D for
that
this.
makes sense.
Franco says verify full system functionality.
So that is
document
the steps.
Send an email.
And then, okay.
Send an email is a part of documentation. Yeah, but once you're escalating the issue, you're documenting it at the same time. So now that you're writing an email to the person, you're like, hey, this didn't work.
Next.
This didn't work, so it kind of, send an email as a part of documentation, right?
Yeah.
But yeah, this was the last question, right?
Yeah, that was
okay.
the last
Next time, don't
question.
end with such a controversial question.
I mean, it's always good to do that.
Tomorrow, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Okay, we'll try to, so unfortunately, we had to come a little early. But tomorrow, 9 p.m. Eastern Time, Linux Plus. So if you're planning on taking Linux, please stop on by. Or the Linux expert too, please do stop on by because Linux is such a headache for me. Yeah, but thank you for joining. If you're not following, follow. And also, YouTube will be on.
All right.
Do we like this new time? Should we change it to 8:30?
All right.
Good night, everyone. Good night. You're rusty. I don't understand nothing in Linux. No, Saber.
Yeah, so join. And
9 p.m., okay? Hopefully we don't go a little early. That means we're going to be here for a while.